Good Friday afternoon. I'm KHOU 11 meteorologist Kim Castro, and this is a look at your extended weather forecast. We're going to start with this morning's low temperatures because they were once again very chilly. Right at the freezing mark for Bush Intercontinental Airport, Tomball and Sugar Land did not make it out of the 20s. 27 degrees was the morning low. For Pearland, 29, Angleton 30. Hobby Airport was a little bit warmer. Looks like that gauge is a little insulated, made it up to 37 degrees. Temperatures for this afternoon are very comfortable in the mid-50s, pretty much area wide. You'll notice traffic now flowing smoothly, a big shift from where we started off in the week. Tuesday, this was pretty much at a standstill, covered in snow. Now we're seeing plenty of sunshine. Here's the Galleria shot from our studios on Westheimer and Chimney Rock, and you can see we're picking up on a lot of sunshine. It's going to be a beautiful day. Throughout the afternoon, we'll bounce up to a high right around 61, 62, maybe 63 degrees. Sunny skies will last us all the way through 5:52. So really quiet forecast for today in case you need to get caught up with errands, things that you weren't able to get done during the week because you were advised to stay home. You can freely do that this afternoon. Overnight forecast, we're going to be chilly again, but most of us are going to stay well above freezing. So if you do live in Dyersdale, you'll make it down to 37 degrees, East Houston, 38, Heights 39, and waking up out of Montrose, you'll be at 40 degrees, 39 in Bel Air, upper 30s downtown, Jersey Village 37, Cypress mid-30s, and then right along the freezing marker for Brenham. And for Livingston, Navasota, I think maybe just makes it just past that freezing marker. Tomorrow, another beautiful day. It is going to be mostly cloudy though. High temperature 65 in Gulf Crest, and in Brookhaven you'll notice mid-60s for Bel Air 2, Woodgate maybe in the low 60s. Around the loop in the Beltway, we're all going to see pretty mild temperatures. A little bit cooler the further north you go, 60 degrees for Huntsville and 61 for Galveston in case you are making it a beach day. Something else to note about your Saturday, in the evening all those clouds, all the moisture that's building might give you an isolated shower, so it's a good idea to carry your umbrella with you, and it's going to serve you well, especially as we head into Sunday. Sunday morning, here's a snapshot at 9:30. We've got some showers and even a couple of thunderstorms that are going to start to be popping up. They become a little bit more pronounced by 4:30. Maybe one of those could be a little disruptive with some quick heavy downpours in the Sugar Land area, and then we start to dry it up for the evening. With those heavier downpour potentials, there is a chance for some localized street flooding and some high water spots, although that is going to be the lowest threat that we have. It's just a marginal one on the 1 to 4 scale, but something I want you to keep in mind. Here's how much rain we're looking to accumulate. 1 to 2 inches would be manageable. Anything above that, in those spots with the brighter reds, that could accumulate about 3 inches. That might be some of the spots that we want to monitor, especially if you know in your particular neighborhood there are some low-lying areas or areas with poor drainage. Just be a little bit mindful of that as we go into this weekend. So out of the 2 weekend days, I would say pencil in your outdoor activities on Saturday as they don't like to be too interrupted. Sunday though, maybe we make that a slower day or a chores day, as we are going to be seeing some showers on and off throughout the day. And a couple of those showers will be storms with thunder and lightning. You don't want to be outside for that. Notice the temperatures climbing. So Sunday morning, we only dipped down to 54 degrees, and then the high temperature makes it up to 66. So very, very warm and wet. As we look ahead at the next 5 days, you'll notice even more rain chances on the map. Our first one to highlight is going to be on Sunday, and then we start to increase those rain chances as we go into the middle of the week. We are tracking a pretty unsettled pattern. So there's a wide view of the Sunday rainmaker. It's pronounced. You'll notice Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, just a couple of light spotty showers here and there. Then the next day that is going to be of interest will be Thursday evening. We're tracking another storm system that looks to bring us some widespread showers and storms. So in case you had anything on the schedule for next Thursday, that's going to be a day that you do monitor the forecast. So download the KHOU app and we'll give you any updates that we need to give you. Above average rainfall potential, not just into next week, but for the start of February. Now, that's always good when it comes to keeping our drought monitor in check. And this is the latest monitor that we received on Thursday. And you'll notice Harris County completely in the clear. Some of our western cities and counties, including Colorado, Wharton, Matagorda, Brazoria, either just abnormally dry or in the lowest drought category, which is moderate. So any additional rain that comes our way next week will be beneficial. The temperature outlook does feature warming temperatures into next week, so that will be something that is nice in case you missed it. This past week was extremely chilly. Okay, so the general trend for the 7-day forecast, rain is back in the picture, and we are starting to track the return of the warmth. So low temperatures starting on Sunday will be in the 50s, and then those high temperatures will at least bounce up into the 60s. Notice on Wednesday, looks like our high makes it up to 70 degrees, so carry your umbrellas with you. You're not really going to have to dress in layers.